Welcome to our Nugget Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop Pebble ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver soft, chewable ice perfect for your favorite beverages. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, making it the more affordable option compared to the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker, which retails for $209. If budget is a major consideration for you, the EUHOMY model offers a more economical choice without compromising on quality. In terms of ice production, the EUHOMY model boasts an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of nugget ice per day, slightly edging out the Free Village model, which produces 34 pounds. This means that for those who frequently host gatherings or enjoy cold beverages, the EUHOMY model may provide just a bit more ice to keep the party going. Both ice makers come with self-cleaning features, which is a significant convenience for users. However, the Free Village model offers a one-click operation that simplifies the ice-making process even further. This feature can be particularly appealing for those who prefer a hassle-free experience when making ice. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Free Village Nugget Ice Makers have their unique advantages. The EUHOMY model is more budget-friendly and has a slightly higher ice production capacity, while the Free Village model offers a convenient one-click operation. Depending on your priorities, either of these machines could be a great addition to your home or office. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.